So kung gagawin ka namang Barbie doll, kasi di ba may sporty Barbie, party Barbie, anong tawag? Barbie?
Ay, ano na lang, Happy Barbie.
Oo.
Friendship with David is definitely different kasi sa trabaho namin, ang ginagawa namin, pang-jowa po eh.
So, barda.
Yeah, so yun
Sikat
pa
na
lang
sikat.
sets him apart from all my other male friends. Like si Derek, si Christopher, si Alden, yung mga twins po. Kasi hindi naman kami nagsusweet-sweetan, diba? So with David, merong conscious effort kasi part ng trabaho namin na maging sweet sa isa't isa, ganyan. So siguro yung level of care, I would say, iba. Kasi yung sa kanya, mas parang, I feel like the way he cares for me and the way I care for him is more delicate.
Nagkataon naman, nasabay kayong single, no? Hindi nyo naman plinano yun. Coincidence lang.
Hindi naman.
Oo.
Yun siguro po yung level of care and yung support, ganyan. Pero bukod po doon, I think David is really good person to be around with. Really good with advices. Actually, more than love advice, ang mga nakukuha ko talaga sa kanya, advice about starting a business. He really wants me
He really has business acumen.
Yes, explore na mag-business. Mas yun talaga siya.
So lang friendship, walang mali siya at all.
Wala po. But we really do care for each other. It's
Yeah, and it shows.
And I have been very busy. I am overwhelmed with gratitude. Parang I don't have a right to be lonely. Kasi parang life has been showering me with blessings and good people to be around with. Napakasaya ko po. David is really a good person to be around with. Again po, I really don't want being single to be the reason why I'm happy. Maybe it's because I appreciate the people around me more now and mas marami akong nadidiscover about myself.
Your
Kalaan nyo,
life.
kaya kong tumakbo ng 16K, Miss
Talaga?
Dolly. Yeah!
60? Grabe.
Diba? Pero ngayon, I'm just really, really happy na I get to spend time with myself. I get to do things on my own. Ang saya ko kasi pagka free days ko, I really look forward to making plans na lumabas, ganyan, nagiging mas outgoing ako ngayon. Just enjoying life. Maybe now, I realize it's not about being ready to be in love or to fall in love again. It's really fully loving yourself first. Kasi feeling ko naman, pag nasa tamang posisyon ka na sa buhay, the right person will attract. Parang makaka-attract ka ng tamang tao.
When you look at yourself in the mirror, what do you usually say to yourself these days?
I'm so proud of you. There are times, especially po, pag alam ko na it's gonna be a hectic week, parang lagi akong...
Iniisip mo palang pagod ka na.
Oo, parang ganyan po. And then, after kong ma-survive lahat yung buong linggong yun, sabihin ko, di ba, kaya mo naman? Di ba, ang galing mo?
Ako naman, wala namang problema sa akin and walang kaso naman sa akin if yung pinipair na love team ay magkatuluyan or hindi. Pero siguro, wag lang silang don't give in to the pressure of it. Kumbaga parang, kung may in love kayo naturally. And not just because you're both pressured to get into a relationship simply because you're a love team. Yung ganun. Sana, gawin yung private, kung magiging kayo man, kahit love team kayo, ganyan. Iilabas nyo sa trabaho nyo. Para hindi rin siya masyadong makagulo sa professional work nyo. Kasi, di ba, kunyari kung mag-jowa kayo, tapos nag-away kayo sa set, ang hirap, di ba?
Alam natin yan, may mga...
Kung mga akit nga naman, di ba? Baka pwedeng sa akin na lang.
I don't know if I can announce. Pwede ko bang i-announce na? Pero meron na, may date na kami, definitely. May date na kami ni... charot, joke lang. Hindi.
In this world, to be beautiful is to be seen, to be heard, to be loved. To be beautiful is to survive.